Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss is here, you know. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, you know, see an incident occurred last night, my people. So today now, which is on a Thursday, you know, me I do the vlog, my people. Which is February the 9th, 2023, my people. So me I talk about yesterday now, my people, which is Wednesday. You understand? February the 8th, 2023. Now the night, my people. See? So them said this brother, you know, my viewers and subscribers, who in them early 40s, and him they over there in a them town where he live, my people. See? So them say, him there in him yard. Sometime at the night, him have some relative attack and thing, my viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? All in a random conversation and thing. Till whatever happened, maybe going in a room or something occurred, my people. But them say, while he must make a move and go somewhere, my people, them just find him missing. Them find him gone, my people. No one can locate him. So early in the morning now, my people, which is on the Thursday and now, which is the 9th when me I tell about now, my people. Then comes a boom, and them find him body. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, R.I.P. So them say close by, my people, out of Maypen Cemetery now, them find him body, dump my viewers and subscribers. The man them murder him and dash him out, they dump him out, them my people. See? When checks are made, family members and everybody attack, they must say, yo, this man never deserved this. They must say he was a quiet man, my people. He wasn't a troublesome man. His mother weep on a ball, his father weep on a ball, and the daddy say, look at the man, you see my son is a good youth. He always help you out with whatever he can. You know what I mean? He man a man who make trouble. He is a man who left him work and come home, cook him local food, wash him own clothes and them something there. I say him work. He is not a problem man who you know a mix up in a this and a mix up in a that. But one thing attacking boss have to say, my deepest condolences to mama and to papa. And to all the family, you understand, relatives of this man, who they managed to take out him 3 points, wickedness, crueltiness. But, mama, papa, hear what me I say. Pan a real level attacking boss got out now. You know say, if your man just come in your yard or where you're there, and just take you out like that, and carry you go dump somewhere and finish you off, there have to be something behind it. Mama and papa, what is no son right now? You work at one cement place, cement factory or something like that? Alright. I don't know what go on if cement thief, you know. I don't know what kind of business go on now because I don't want to pin nothing by nobody. But one thing I can say my viewers and subscribers, attacking Boston need glass situation this. Something behind it why them take him out. You understand? Not every time you see the little quiet lamb come home to you and behave like him is so innocent and so quiet. But pity you don't know. Different times and different means and different ways he can be something else. You understand? Nah, of course. We have seen it happen more than once, people. You know how much man out there? We are killers, murderers. And our parents and family don't even know. Because when they do them things, the people them go out of port, go do it, my viewers and subscribers. You get what I'm saying? So if him in him yard now, I want a conversation, you know what I mean? With relatives and something. And you tell me, say, don't hold him conversation, don't hold him argument. When they go in him yard, go in him room, go in him bed or something, and somebody manage to take him out. Then there's somebody who know him good, man. And you feel so nobody are going to take out nobody like that for a reason, whatever, to sacrifice something or what. There have to be a reasons. You understand? Me sadly, I have to say, mama and papa, me understand now more on the pick, on the love him. You get where me are so now for mourn for him. But on a real level, mama and papa, there is something why them do this to him. You understand? You give nobody no right to take out nobody 3 points. I've saying these things over and over. You cannot blow breath in no man, you know. So why you want to take somebody life? I've saying this thing all the time. But if you shall look into things, mama and papa and for other relatives, there's something behind it. Something behind it. And it's sad still. If you know, say, yes, him gone, them take him out and just dash him out. They're so close to this semi. You understand? It's a sad situation. So if you know, the police, they are doing their investigations into this for people and them are try to see any leads or anything them can get. You understand? We can lead to any arrest or who to find the perpetrators them behind it. But all I can say, my viewers and subscribers, it's a sad situation. It's a terrible situation. You understand? If you know, see a man there in me yard, my people. And people just turn up, you understand, and take him out there and just come and go fling him away and go dump him and just dash him out there like one dead dog. So, me don't know same gone already and dead man tell no tears, but boy, there is something behind it, my people. There is something. Nobody thinks that there is no reasons. You understand? I'm not brandishing me now. I say, look at the man, him tease something, he move something, he take away a man. You understand? But people, I always say this and I'm going to say it again. I not trust nobody, and you can't trust nobody in these times. You understand? But still, give no one no rights and no means to take out nobody life, nobody 3 points. Because at the end of the day, my viewers and subscribers, I've talked about these things. You cannot blow breath in people. So why you thinking of yourself you shall take people one? You understand what I'm saying? But it's a sad situation, my people, and as I say, the police are doing their investigations. Mama moan, Papa moan, and I say, boy, them son should have never gone like this. Him not deserve this, not him. You understand? Them I say, no, not fit try. Him never deserve this. They not expect anybody else, but not him. Because he was a quiet soul. And them I say, yo, the local community where him in to people, everybody shocked. Residents can't believe, so yo, they not really do something like this. Because they not expect, so this man did not be in a place like that. A man just rolling, a man just running and just take him out like that, my viewers and subscribers. But as I say, my people, there is something behind this, but only Jah sees and he knows. But you don't know the attacking basket to work, my people. Any more info, any more update I get on this, I will definitely pass it and I will definitely share it, because you don't know, say attacking boss now go keep them story to himself, my people. I'm here to deliver when you don't know the viewers and the subscribers how important you are, and you don't know me I keep on update, especially when me touch something like this. You know what I mean? But for now, Mama and Papa, my deepest condolences. Some people big up on themselves, man. I don't know the thing that one team and one dream, one scheme, and one attacking boss of people, and just stay safe out there and just continue to do the right thing. You understand? Love your brother, love your sister, my people, no matter what. You understand? Show your brother love every day, show your sister love. Nobody wait till them gone. You go talk about the good them do, and go talk about how you miss him and how you that. You understand? While they on earth in front of you, and I keep on saying these things over and over. Show them love. Don't bother wait till it's too late, because there's so much things nowadays for people that can make your life gone from you. You understand? You know, if you be nobody take you out, you know, you can't be in a car, you can't be natural causes for people, you just don't know. And every day you rise up, remember looking at the sky and thank Jah. You understand? Thank you, my people, because millions of people now get up today. We say thank you, Jah. Millions. I'm telling you the truth, my people, so give Jah thanks. And if you yourself don't believe in a Jah, well, dog, nyam yourself, because the Almighty is real, my people. Him work for me several times, so me know same real. So if anybody who say I'm not real, on the on the one. My people, please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Peace out. Love you all. Blessings. Attack. Big up.